Today, we're going to deactivate an IP VPN on-demand connection to the Google Cloud Platform. This will entail deactivating the VLAN attachment under the Interconnect section of the Google Cloud Console, as well as deactivating the connection in the Lumen Control Center portal. So first, let's take a look at a diagram of what we're going to be working on today. We are going to be working on deactivating the connection that's depicted on the right-hand side of the diagram. So the connection that's built from the Lumen IP VPN network to and through the partner interconnect on-ramp to the Google Cloud Platform. We are going to be deactivating that portion of the service today. So when we go first into the Google Cloud console, we're going to go under Interconnect, and we're going to see that we have a Lumen Test 4 connection here, and we're going to want to click in here, look at the BGP routes to make sure that we're deleting and deactivating the correct one. So we're going to go ahead and match that up with the Control Center portal. If we look at services on the left-hand side under Manage Services, we'll be able to filter by IP VPN on demand, and that's how you could find your connections. So we're going to go ahead and look at the connection that was the nickname of Google Test 4. I remembered what the nickname was, but you can also go back and just make sure you have your Lumen router peer and the cloud provider router edge peers to confirm the IP addresses. So we're going to go ahead and delete the VLAN attachment here. You can delete it here, or you can go back to the VLAN attachment page and do the actions and delete the VLAN over here. So we're going to go ahead and delete that. That'll just take a minute. So now you notice it's, it's disappeared from the section here. We're going to go over to the Control Center portal where we already had pulled up and verified the service that we want to disconnect. So we're going to hit disconnect here. You understand about the billing arrangement, hit confirm disconnect. And now we're going to go ahead and wait for this to complete out. We can close this window, and then we're going to watch the order progress through the system. So the connection has been deactivated in both the Lumen Control Center portal and also on the Google Cloud Console.